Hello everyone, my name is Dan. Welcome back to the Kings of Asphalt YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel and you like the videos, do me a favor and hit the like button. If you don't like the videos, hit the subscribe button, I might grow on you. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is not what I wanted to. Originally what I had planned was a very exciting unveiling, something that's been sitting in my garage for quite some time. Unfortunately, due to the weather, I don't think we can get to it today, so I'm gonna have to push it back to the weekend. But as far as today, we're gonna do a little update on that BMW that we were looking at a few days ago. All right, let's step outside and check it out. All right, let's run past the Mercedes. I'm gonna do a video on this car, but the next video I film is gonna be what is waiting for us inside that garage. I would film it today, but as you can tell, it's way too windy, it'd be way too noisy a video. So the focus today, how is the 325 doing after we replaced the intake tube? A little update for you. Okay, so I want to talk about this mystery inside the garage. I'm going to give you guys a couple hints as to what it could be. If you think you know what it is, shoot it down in the comment section down below, but I honestly do not think anyone is going to guess it correct. And that's not just because I think only 2 people are going to comment guessing, but I just don't think anyone's going to get it. So the first hint is that it only has 2 wheels. That's right, it is not a car, to many people's surprise. The second hint is that it was my father's since 1994. He stopped using it. That's when I got my license and started riding a little bit. So I kind of adopted it, started taking care of it, this, that, the other. So it's not my bike, it is my father's. So that might hint as to what style bike it is, but I still don't think anyone's gonna be able to guess what it is. Obviously you can guess what kind of bike it is, but the make and model, I don't think anyone has a chance. All right, we got a pretty cool car here, people. So that was funny. I saw a guy in a 350z NISSAN. He saw my camera, so he started revving it for me. I've actually never driven a 350z. I was in I think it was an LS swap 350z. But I've never been in an actual 350z with their 3.5 liter, but I've always liked them. They seem like fun cars. All right, so I'm wrapping up the test drive in the BMW. I've got to be honest, this car feels like it's driving 100% normal, other than when it's idling in drive and in park. In neutral, it doesn't happen, but it shakes like freaking crazy. All right, so that's a wrap. Thank you for watching the video. Tune in tomorrow if you guys want to see what's waiting for us inside that garage. All I have to do is finish up this laundry Deegan started, and I can edit this video for you guys. So thanks again for watching it. Until next time.